In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Workspace Admin, and we'll also dive into a brief introduction of its key features. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or just need a little refresher, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and go to google.com. This is your starting point for logging into Google Workspace Admin. When you arrive, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice the sign in button. Give that a click. If you're not already logged into a Google account, this will prompt you to sign in. Now you should see your account listed. Click on your account and enter your password. Remember, it's crucial to keep your password secure and private to protect your account. After entering your password, click on Next. Once signed in, you should see a grid icon at the top right corner of the page. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down of different Google services. From these options, select Admin. Welcome to the Google Workspace Admin console. To explore it further, click on Home. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you'll find various shortcuts and a snapshot of your organization's activity. Next, let's explore some specific functionalities of the admin console. Click on Directory. Here you can manage your users, groups, and organizational units. It's a vital tool for keeping everything in check, especially as your team grows or changes. Now let's click on Devices. In this section, you can manage your Chrome and mobile devices, as well as your networks. It's perfect for tracking and overseeing all the devices connected to your domain, ensuring they comply with your organization's policies. Moving on, click on Apps. This is where you manage access to Google applications and their settings. It's particularly useful for configuring what apps your users can access and customizing settings to suit your team's needs. For those of you interested in the cutting edge, Google Workspace offers generative AI tools like their Gemini AI. By clicking on Generative AI, you'll be able to explore these tools. They can be incredibly handy for enhancing productivity and creativity within your team. If you need to keep track of payments or subscriptions, simply click on Billing. Here you can view all your subscriptions and payment accounts, making financial management straightforward and organized. Lastly, let's cover how to manage general settings. Click on Account. In this section, you can adjust account settings, manage admin roles, and handle domain settings. It's essential for keeping your account and organization running smoothly. And there you have it, you've just explored the basics of logging into Google Workspace Admin and became acquainted with some of its most important features. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.